Hey, it's Alex from RDP Arena. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy way to create a free proxy server using your RDP. By following this method, you'll be able to browse the internet anonymously using your RDP's IP on your local computer browser. To get started, the first thing you need to do is download and install CCProxy on your RDP. You can find the download link in the description below. I've already installed CCProxy on this RDP, so I'll go ahead and open it. Click on the Options button to set the port for HTTP/RTSP. It's important to change the default values to prevent unauthorized users from connecting to your proxy server. For this video, we'll be using port 1902. Next, in the local IP address section, uncheck the auto detect option. Then, select your RDP IP and click on the checkmark to the right. Click OK to save your settings. To secure your proxy and prevent unauthorized access, you'll need to add a username and password. To do this, click on the Account button, then click New. Enter the username you want in the user/group name field and set your password in the password field. Click OK to save these settings. Click OK once again. If you have Windows Defender Firewall activated, you'll need to make sure it doesn't block CCProxy. To do that, go to the Windows search bar, type Firewall, and select Windows Defender Firewall from the list. In the Windows Defender Firewall window, choose the Allow an App or Feature through Windows Defender Firewall option on the left-hand side. Next, click on Allow another app. Browse to find the CCProxy installation folder, select the CCProxy icon, and click Open. Click on the Add button. CCProxy will now appear in the Allowed Apps and Features list. Make sure you check both the public and private columns, then click OK to save your settings. This will ensure that the firewall doesn't block your CCProxy connections. Now, let's check if the proxy is working on our local computer. I'm currently logged into my local computer. To check the proxy, open the Firefox browser. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right, and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down to the bottom, and click on the Settings button in the Network Settings section. In the Connection Settings window, choose Manual Proxy Configuration. Enter the IP address of your RDP, and the port is 1902 in the proxy settings. Don't forget to check the option, also use this proxy for HTTPS. Click OK to save the settings. Now, try opening Whoer.net in a new tab. You'll be prompted for authentication. Enter the username and password you set in the proxy settings, and click Sign in. As you can see, we've successfully connected to the proxy server and Whoer.net is showing our RDP's IP, instead of our local computer's IP, on this browser. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.